not stuck to the bottom. So this is the Stahl Deep Kadhai with lid that I have been using for the past 2 years. The diameter is 20 centimeters. It is almost round and quite deep, almost round like this. I've got a stainless steel kadai, copper bottom kadai here, and it has got a very small flat base, just enough to use it on an induction stove. Unlike the Vinod kadai which I have here, which has got a wide base, this is also induction friendly. I've already made a short video explaining the features of this kadai, and you can see the link of it above if you have not seen the video. And I also shown using this kadai on induction cooktop for frying pani puri puris, the video of which I have uploaded in my channel, the link of which again is provided above. So now in this video I'm going to review this kadai, which is on request from a viewer, Shruti Sridhar. Thank you, Shruti, for your request. She wanted me to make this video as I've been using this for a while now. She wanted to know how it is ever since I've been using this. The first two videos were immediately after I purchased the kadai. Both the videos were not detailed videos. So in this video I'm not only going to review this kadai, but I'm also going to compare it with other kadais which I have at home and I'm using it. Let me start with the features of this kadai firstly. So this is a tri-ply stainless steel cookware. That is tri-ply meaning it has got 3 coating, 2 layers of stainless steel, and in between there is a coating of aluminium. So you can see the aluminium here. This tri-ply ensures even distribution of heat, because of which there is no hot spot, and hence your cooking is even. You don't get any burnt food at one side and cooked normal cooking in one side. You have even cooking throughout, and this makes the food healthy. This kadai is also quite strong and sturdy, and it has got a stainless steel lid which is also quite strong with a nice handle. This kadai also has got handles, cast stainless steel handles which are quite strong and sturdy. Not only that, it has got rubber at the base, at the bottom of the handle, which makes it easy to handle even when the kadai is hot. So more than a review, this is sharing my thoughts and my experiences of using this kadai and my other kadais. So it's discussing the advantages and disadvantages of all the kadais which I have. So let me tell the reason why I went for this kadai. I've done a lot of induction videos. I've mentioned in many of my videos, I keep telling that I love cooking on induction because it's very environmental friendly and it also does cooking very fast. So even today I do almost all my cooking on induction and I use gas very minimally. But when it comes to frying, I had to depend on gas because I didn't have any deep kadai which could sit on the induction and which I could use for frying. I used to use this copper bottom for frying on gas, but this cannot be used on induction, not only because of the copper bottom but because it doesn't have a flat base, which is a must for an induction cooktop. I have these Vinod induction kadai with a flat base. I have this Prestige induction friendly kadai. I also have one more bigger size Vinod kadai. All these things I use for making my curries or vegetables or sauteing or stir frying, but I could never do frying in these kadais because it is not deep enough, and that is when I went to a shop, this Stahl caught my eye because it has got a deep bottom. It is round, almost round like this, like I told in the beginning. So it can be used on gas, and because of the small flat base which they have made, it is perfect for induction. It's induction friendly material because it's steel and it is also tri-ply. So all these goes as an advantage, and because of which I am able to do frying very easily on an induction. I have shown this. You can see, watch my pani puri video. One more thing, because the kadai is deep and rounded, it becomes spacious. Not only that, because it is deep, you can pour little oil with less oil compared to the other kadais. You can do frying. The other induction kadais which are flatter with less depth need more oil than this. they claim that at least 20% oil we can reduce in this deep kadai, and I think it must be right, because I've done a lot of frying in this kadai, both on gas and on induction. Gas, I've just tried it to see how it works. So I definitely use less oil while frying in this. Whereas I cannot do my normal frying on those other kadais which are induction friendly. It's perfect for frying. That doesn't mean that you cannot use for anything else. You can do sauteing, you can do stir frying, you can prepare your curries, you can make your dal or vegetables. Because of the even thickness all around, the food doesn't get stuck at the bottom. There is no, that like I said, there is no hot spot, so there is even cooking. That makes the cooking healthy. And not only these, it is stainless steel, and so it is dishwasher safe. And you can see that even after two years of usage, I've been able to maintain as new. Since in a way there's also a comparison video of kadais, I'd like to tell one thing. Like I said, because of the even thickness, you can't find food particle getting stuck here, or burning doesn't happen here. Whereas if you take this Vinod kadai, which has got a thick base, thick bottom, so the heat is retained for a longer period, which is an advantage. But the negative point is, if you leave it unattended or cook for a longer period or at a high temperature, the food can get burnt, or there could be food particles stuck to it. Similarly, if you take this Prestige kadai, which is one of my oldest, there is no sandwich bottom or anything. It is just a thick bottom, not as thick as Vinod. The advantage is, because the thickness is less, not much is getting stuck on this inside of this kadai. Disadvantage is, it doesn't retain heat for a longer period, unlike Vinod. I wouldn't say that my other kadais are bad. They also are in good condition, but they have disadvantages. So that is what I'm trying to highlight in this video, that this has got an advantage of because of the roundedness and the depth. It is ideal for frying, particularly on induction. So in all these years of cooking, I've been looking for a kadai which can be used on induction, because induction gives a precise temperature control, which is not possible on gas. In gas you have just high, low or sim, whereas here in steps of 10-20 degrees you can go on increasing or decreasing the temperature. So I wanted that kind of flexibility for frying, and that is why I started using this for frying nowadays. And so to sum it up, I can just say that this has got all the advantages as compared to the other induction friendly kadais. It can be used on the induction. It's perfect for frying. It is dishwasher safe. It gives even cooking. What more can you ask for? So people will want to know how much does it cost. 2 years back I bought it in a shop for 2,200. I think even now their websites show somewhat similar rate. I don't know, in comparison, that is in the same category of kadais, I don't know what the other brands cost. So that's all I would like to say about this Stahl kadai which I am using. And hope Shruti and all others who are watching this video, you find this comparison and my thoughts useful. In case you have any such query, any such topic you want me to cover, and if you want me to do review of any appliance or any such thing, so in case I have them, I'll definitely do a video. Hopefully I think I've covered all the topics on this kadai, and also while comparing the other kadais. In case I missed out on anything, please feel free to write in the comment section. I usually write a detailed description about any product I do. On all my videos I write the description in detail, so please do read the description. And whomsoever has this Stahl Kadhai or any other brand kadai of this type, like Deep Kadhai, please share your experience with that in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it is bye bye from Bhuwana.